Hello everyone, welcome to Tohi Tech. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can able to replace the blower fan, heater and air conditioning controlling resistor in there. So this one is a faulty and original one. So because of this one faulty, the fan is not working properly on the Nissan X-Trail. So I'm going to show you how you can replace this one yourself. This is only maybe half an hour job and easy to do it. So first of all, we need to buy the similar model one in there. So the model for this one is 27761000826. This one is made in Germany, but I order one is non OEM. So that one is the third party make, and I order from the eBay. The price for this one is £23. I would recommend, if you are replacing this one, buy the original one from the Nissan. So that would be the reliable. You have to take out the negative battery terminal out. So there's no issue after that with the electrical system in there. So I would definitely recommend you better take out the negative terminal out and leave on the side. So next step is to take the glove box out. So before you remove that, there's a V latch in here for opening and closing the smoothly the glove box. So this one connected here. So V notch here, you have to plug out that one, and then the both side there's a V notches clip in here both side, and underneath of the glove box these two notches going up here. So you have to use the both hand from here, press it inward and then push out a little bit, and then on that position you have to take the glove box out. And then this is our fuse box behind the glove box. So to access the transistor, you can see through from here as well. The transistor located up here. So I'm going to use a V torch to point out the transistor. So the transistor located right here. There's a one screw holding that way. You can easily access that one using the star head screwdriver. You can take out that one and then unplug the two plugs in here. One is 2-prong and one is 4-prong, just like that one. So there is a 4-pin and 2-pin. This one is a 4-pin one, as a one screw in there, and it is really actually hot at the moment. So the one side is a screw, this one is right above there, the hiding inside here. So you need one star head screw to unlock and take it out. So this is the screw, that one is going to fix on the place, only one screw holding that one. So my car fan is working at the moment, and heating working, everything working. So I'm going to put everything back just now. I will start the car and I will show you the fan working properly at the moment. So guys, we have done the replacement of blower fan transistor, and the blower fan is working perfectly fine without replacing the fan. So this is on a lower setting at the moment, and as you can hear the fan picking up the speed. This is on number 3, and this is on full bar. So now the fan is now automatically decrease on the lower speed. You can able to control, and is working perfectly fine. So guys, if you like my tutorial video of replacing blower fan transistor on X-Trail 2017 UK model, please leave a like and follow up for more tutorial video like this, and leave your comments. See you in next tutorial video. Thank you very much for watching.